Hello guys, my name is Vidal with Surety, and today I'm going to be showing you how to learn in a Z-Wave long-range device on an IQ panel. So learning it in via long range is a little bit different. You're going to need to use the camera on the IQ panel, and let's get started. So first we're going to enter programming by swiping down, settings, advanced settings. Then you're going to enter the installer or dealer code. The default installer is 1111. The default dealer is 2222. So I'm just gonna go with 1111. Press the install or press installation, then devices, then Z-Wave devices, and then we're gonna clear the device. So this depends on your model. This one is press the button 3 times. So you're gonna need to read your manual for that. So once it clears, you press OK, and then this is the hard part. You're gonna need either the QR code on the box or the QR code on the side of the device, and you're gonna need to scan it on this camera. It kind of has trouble reading the QR code, so you might need to move it around. Little trick here is to take a picture with your phone of the QR code and zoom it in. So you could zoom this one in, and then you could use this to try to learn it in on the screen. So we're gonna press Smart Start. And then on here, we're just gonna need to move it around. It caught it there pretty quickly. Under name, you could customize this, or you could just leave it as light. I'll just leave it as light. And then we're gonna press add. If it learns in as a high number like this, then this means that it's learned in as a long range. If it's learned in as like a single or double digit number, then that's not learned in as a long range. It's learned in as a standard Z-Wave device. So from here, you could press add. It's currently not showing that it's in the network. Is showing not in network, so this might take a while. It just included it, so now I should be able to come under my smart devices here, and now it pops up right here.
Light is added to network successfully.
So now I should be able to come on here and trigger it. So I could just press light and then press off, and it changes that. And that is it. Thank you very much.